Hey everyone, today we're fixing a really annoying problem. Windows Boot Manager has vanished from your BIOS.
So your PC won't boot into Windows because the boot manager is gone? Don't worry, let's fix that.
This little program is crucial. It's what loads Windows. Without it, your TC just can't start up. Okay, before we mess with any settings, let's start with the absolute basics, the easy hardware checks.
Your PC could be confused trying to boot from a USB stick, so unplug everything and check those cables.
All right, if that didn't do the trick, it's time to dive into your PC's BIOS or UEFI settings.
Your PC basically has two ways to start up. For Windows 11, you have to be on the modern UEFI mode.
So restart your PC, hit that BIOS key, find the boot menu, and switch it over to UEFI.
Next up, the boot order. This is super important. Your Windows drive has got to be first in line. In the BIOS, just make sure your main hard disk is at the very top of that boot priority list.
Still no luck? Okay, let's have Windows try to fix itself with its own built-in repair tool.
You can trigger this by turning your PC on and off 3 times. Then, just navigate to Startup Repair. All right, for this next part, we're going into advanced mode. You'll need a Windows installation USB drive. We're going to boot from that USB and open up the command prompt to manually recreate the boot files. First, we'll run some disk part commands. This basically tells the system which partition is the right one to boot from. Just follow these commands. But hey, pay attention, you might need to change the numbers to match your own setup. Now for the magic command. This one copies the boot files over. Just swap L with your system's drive letter. If that still didn't work, don't worry. This is our last resort. We're going to rebuild the boot sector from scratch. Just type in these 4 commands, one after the other. This should fix the master boot record for good.